Here I have Nothing Phone 1, and today I'm going to show you how to take motion photo or moving photo or live photo, like call it as you want, on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, then tap on this round icon, and that's how you can enable motion photo. So now let's take some photo that moves. Maybe some video. So let's try it out. Okay. So where's my motion photo? Let's try it once again. Oh. And now let's check how it moves. Oh. So for this photo to move, you have to hold your finger on it, and after that it starts moving, as you can see. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.